Say hello to our little chef, dressed in a crisp white uniform and chef's hat. She's in her bright, modern kitchen ready to whip up something delicious, slicing fresh beef. She begins by carefully slicing fresh, juicy beef for today's star dish, the classic Philly beef sandwich, seasoning the beef. Next, our young chef seasons the beef with salt, pepper, and a secret blend of spices. Can you smell that already? The pan is hot, and things are about to sizzle, cooking with onions. Into the pan it goes, the beef starts to cook while sweet caramelized onions sizzle beside it. Look at that golden color and juicy perfection, adding cheese. Now it's cheese time. She carefully places slices of provolone on top, and just like magic, it melts into the beef like a warm, cheesy hug prepping to roll. While that's melting, she slices open a freshly toasted hoagie roll. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, just how we like it, assembling the sandwich. She scoops up the beef and cheese mixture and loads it into the hoagie. Every bite packed with flavor. No corner left empty, garnishing. A sprinkle of fresh parsley to top it off, and our Philly beef sandwich is ready for plating. Melted cheese, juicy meat, perfect bread, yum, first bite reaction. And now the moment of truth, our little chef takes a big bite, and her smile says that all the sandwich is absolutely delicious, presenting the dish. She proudly presents her masterpiece on a wooden board, standing tall in her stylish kitchen. A mini chef with major talent. And finally, our proud little chef holds up her sign. Best Philly beef sandwich ever. We believe it too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. See you next time in Little Chef's Kitchen.